So got a subwoofer here. It's a Bose 321 system. Had it for a long time, probably 6 years, maybe. Anyways, today I was working on hiding some wires for the other speakers and plugging this in and unplugging it. I heard it starting to arc and spark and smell and everything. So I ended up taking the back panel off, and right here, this is where the power goes in. And if you look right there, in fact, I'll do a closer up one here in a minute. You'll see it's the solder joints. It's like a cold solder joint. There's no more solder, and it's kind of arcing and stuff. So I'm going to attempt to resolder that, and I'll show you a little bit of a close up here. There you go. You can see that one's starting a cold solder joint too. So I'm going to resolder both those, and we'll test it out. And you'll also notice this one here. Sorry, I've been drywalling, but this one here too. I just noticed that, and then there's a couple of little ones right there too that are starting to do it as well. Okay, that's a decent job. Now when I hit these, there's a little one right here. I'm just going to barely, I'm still shaky, you had too much coffee. Oops, hold on. Okay, and I'm going to, this is another cold solder right here. I'm just going to reheat that, just so it remelts itself. There it goes. Not even going to add any more. Alright. And doesn't look, well, it looks like this one's starting to do it too. Oops. Just a hair. And of course the main ones are over here. Let's get these bad boys right here. If I can do it with the camera there. This is the bad one right here. Let's see if I can get in there. There we go. That's decent. Now, let's curve this sucker around. There we go. Now I'm just going to quickly glance around a little bit more. I'm just heating them up enough so they reconnect. Ooh, okay. One more right here. Now this is the connector that plugs into the main unit right here. Yep, that fixed it. Plugged it right in, turned it on. Playing Pandora radio through the laptop, and it's working great. Just need to clean it up a little bit, and sure glad that got fixed. Can't afford to buy a new system now.